How to make keto spicy shrimp avocado salad. The ingredients: for shrimp salad: 2 medium avocado, half medium lime, juiced, 5-ounce cucumber, 2-ounce baby spinach, 2-ounce cherry tomato, sliced, 3 tablespoon olive oil, for frying, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon chili paste, 10-ounce shrimp, peeled. For ginger dressing: 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced, half medium lime, juiced, half tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Cut up the avocado into slices and discard the pit. Squeeze lime juice over the avocado. Slice the cucumbers. 3. Plate the spinach, avocado slices, cucumber slices, and cherry tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 4. In a frying pan, add the olive oil, garlic, and chili paste. Add in the shrimp and fry for a few minutes each on both sides. 5. Add the cooked shrimp to the top of the salad. 6. Combine ingredients for the dressing, that is, olive oil, ginger, lime juice, soy sauce, and garlic in a bowl and blend together using an immersion blender. 7. Top the salad with the ginger dressing. 8. Season with additional salt and pepper if desired. And enjoy. The serving: this makes a total of 4 servings of spicy shrimp avocado salad. Each serving comes out to be 440 calories, 38.1 grams fat, 5.5 grams net carbs, and 17.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.